Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. If you like these videos, please subscribe. That would be awesome. Some time ago, I had the great pleasure of attending a Liberating Structures workshop with the Liberators, Barry and Christian. And one of the things we did there was to begin to answer the question, my work exists in order to. And I don't know how many of you have actually tried to look into that. Try to formulate, why is your job a job? What is it that you go to work in the morning and try to accomplish, try to achieve? And for me, it actually started a lot of thoughts. So I came up with this in the session. My work exists in order to make teams happy and inspire them to work in new ways to deliver value. Because I believe if I can keep the teams happy and energized, they're much more likely to actually deliver some world-class experiences, some world-class products. If I can just inspire them to try out something new, it can be technical, it can be from a process perspective, then we are probably one step closer to learning something new that could make us deliver even more value. And I don't believe that we can have this technical excellence without the process excellence, and vice versa. We need to have all of this to have a high performance team. And that is my goal in my work life. That is to make teams happy and inspire them to work in new ways to deliver value. If you were to answer this question, what would your answer be? I'm really looking forward to hear that. And if you like this video, these videos, please subscribe and share. That would be awesome. And then have a nice day.